Hello, little friends! In the deep blue ocean, there's a tiny island waiting for us to explore. On the soft white sand, baby turtles slowly crawl toward the sea. And high up in a palm tree, a colorful parrot happily greets the morning sun. The waves are whispering. The breeze is cool. Everything feels calm and magical. Today, we'll build our own desert island diorama and discover all the cute creatures living here. All right, little builders, get your foam board ready. Let's begin. First, we'll make small rocky hills from the foam. Let's draw the line between the white beach and the blue sea. When the base is ready, we'll cover it with plaster to make the rocks bumpy and look just like real cliffs on an island. When the plaster is dry, it's time to paint our island. Let's make the ocean bright blue. Paint the mountains warm brown like old rocks. And the beach shiny gold like real sand. Now let's add some green, soft moss on the hills. Tiny palm trees around the shore. And little sea creatures resting on the rocks. We'll sprinkle fine sand to make it look natural. Then place an old wooden boat, gently floating on the sea. Look, our island diorama is complete! Isn't it beautiful? Can you guess what we're making next? Okay, let's cut along the lines. Now let's add a long, tiny tongue. Can you tell what animal it is? That's right, it's a snake. Snakes have long, smooth bodies that help them slide quietly along the ground. They have no legs, but they move very fast and silently. Their split tongue helps them smell and sense things around them. Some snakes can even swim and hide in the grass to catch their prey. Huh? Where did the puzzle pieces go? Aha, here they are. I want to find an animal that loves to climb. Can you guess what it is? That's right. Good job. It's a monkey. Monkeys have strong, long arms that help them swing from tree to tree. They're smart and love to use their hands to grab fruit or scratch their heads while thinking monkeys live in groups and always have fun playing together in the forest. Sometimes they even copy human sounds. So funny! All right, friends, let's finish this picture together. Looks familiar, doesn't it? Yes, that's right. It's a turtle. Turtles have hard shells that protect their bodies from danger. They move slowly, but are patient and steady. They love swimming, using their forelegs like paddles to glide through the blue water. When they're tired, they hide inside their shells to rest peacefully. It's coloring time! Yay! Wow, what a beautiful picture! Is this a seagull? Yes, you got it. It's a seagull. Seagulls have long, strong wings that let them soar high above the ocean. They love to call cree-cree while flying in flocks. They catch fish near the water's surface with a quick dive. When they're tired, they rest on rocks or boats under the warm sun. Let's open this and see what's inside. Now say it with me. P-A-R-R-O-T. Do you know what animal that is? Yes, that's right. It's a parrot. Parrots have bright, colorful feathers. They're very smart and can copy human speech. They love eating seeds and sweet fruits, chirping squawk squawk. While they snack, parrots live in flocks, always cheerful and noisy in the green jungle trees. Look what I just scooped up. It's a little sea stamp. How cute! Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's an octopus. An octopus has 8 soft arms that help it swim and grab things easily. It can spray ink to escape from predators. Its skin changes color to blend in with rocks and coral. Even deep under the sea, the octopus is smart and very curious. Let's color this picture together. Is this a crab? No. It's a hermit crab. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs find spiral shells to make their cozy homes. When they grow bigger, they move into new shells that fit just right. They crawl slowly across the sand, carrying their little houses on their backs. Though small, they're clever and know how to protect themselves. Let's have some fun on the slide. Oh, what's that appearing over there? Huh? What did it turn into? Wow, it's a flamingo! Flamingos have bright pink feathers that stand out near the blue water. They often balance on one leg when they rest. Their curved beaks help them filter shrimp and tiny plants from the water. When they fly together, they make the sky look so colorful and beautiful. After number 5 comes what number? Yes! Then comes 6, then 7. Wait, where's number 4? Ah, there it is! Wow, all done! It's a crocodile! Crocodiles have thick, tough skin like armor to protect their bodies. Their jaws are full of sharp teeth and bite really hard. They live in rivers and swamps with just their eyes peeking above the water. When it's time to hunt, they move lightning fast, so sneaky. Let's see what we found. It's a very special sea creature. Inside, there's a shiny pearl. Do you know what it is? That's right, a mussel. Mussels have 2 hard shells that close tightly to protect their soft bodies. They live on the seabed or cling to rocks near the shore. When water flows through, they catch tiny bits of food. Sometimes, a grain of sand turns into a beautiful pearl inside. Today, we're going to decorate a pretty little cup. Can you guess what animal I'm drawing? That's right, it's a starfish. Starfish have 5 arms that look like a shining star on the sand. They live under the sea, often resting on rocks or coral. When hurt, they can grow back their missing arms. Amazing, right? Their soft, flexible bodies help them move slowly through the water. This shape looks familiar. Can you guess what animal it is? Yes, that's right, a killer whale. Killer whales have black and white bodies that make them easy to spot. They're strong, smart hunters who swim fast and powerfully. They live in pods and always work together when hunting. Even though they look fierce, they care deeply for their families. And that's it. Our island adventure is complete. So many wonderful creatures live together in the big blue ocean. Each one has its own special story to tell. Thank you for exploring with me today. See you again on our next adventure. Bye-bye.